What if your teenager's summer was the experience that defined their confidence for the rest of their life? Go Abroad China's high school summer camp offers a 2 to 8 week journey for students aged 13 to 18. It is not just a trip, it is an adventure. Every morning, interactive Mandarin language classes, engaging, practical, built for real communication. Every afternoon, discovery in culture, calligraphy, martial arts, cooking classes, and guided visits to China's most iconic landmarks. Every evening, a safe, supportive environment, staying with a carefully selected host family or in supervised accommodation. And every weekend, the Great Wall, the Forbidden City, guided educational adventures, and global friendships that last a lifetime.
Go Abroad China has been very excellent for us so far. They've helped us with accommodations, homestays, excursions, and much more. And Go Abroad China and the entire team behind it has been very accommodating to us. And every day we have a different activity.
My name is Austin Coleman. We've done many very interesting cultural activities, and I think that's something that not a lot of kids my age, especially in America, get, and it's an opportunity I am very grateful for.
Go Abroad China handles everything: airport pickup, accommodation, and 3 daily meals, local transportation, 24/7 supervision, and an official certificate of completion. GoAbroadChina.com, the best way to experience China.